Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about low back pain, and I want to share with you some of the strategies we use right here in the office with folks that come in. One thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the tissues that are involved in the injury are able to heal up. And so we coach people on eating an anti-inflammatory diet so they don't keep feeding the fire of inflammation that's in there. And then there are also some nutritional supplements that we find are very useful to address the inflammation and also help the connective tissue rebuild, the tissue that's been damaged. So what I like to use is turmeric is one of my favorite products, and the company Standard Process makes an incredible turmeric. It's called Turmeric Forte, and it's actually a blend of turmeric that is infused into fenugreek. And that process actually makes it so that the turmeric is 26 times more absorbable than regular dietary turmeric. So if you're trying to get turmeric into your body by, putting it in as a spice in your food or adding it to smoothies, that's actually not very absorbable. But in this form that is infused into the fenugreek, it's highly absorbable. So it's one of the best-selling products of this company because it's so effective. So I love using the turmeric. I also find that the omega-3 oils are very important, so the fish oils. So I always want to make sure that we are using those effectively because that's what's going to help to drop inflammation. And if you have low back injuries, if you have whether it's a chronic situation or an acute situation, then we want to make sure we're addressing those. And then, of course, we want to talk about rebuilding the tissue. So the products that I like for this are Ligaplex 1 and Ligaplex 2, and they're for different types of low back injuries. So I'm always going to test to see if it's more of a disc type of a concern. I'll use one. If it's more of a sacroiliac or a facet concern, then I'll use another one. But it literally is it's providing the building blocks for that tissue so it can rebuild and get stronger if it's been injured or damaged. So those are the things that I like to use to support the progress of the patients that I see, and it really allows us to get our best results with folks. If you're curious on whether or not we can help you, there's actually a link below you can click on, which is our new patient special for low back pain concerns, and you're welcome to click on that link. And if you do, then I look forward to meeting you.